Once upon a time, in a magical little house at the end of the Diagon Alley, lived a bright, brave, and cheerful girl named Ginny Weasley. Ginny was the youngest of the 7 Weasley children, and she loved nothing more than to explore the wonders of the magical world. One evening, after a long day at Hogwarts, Ginny returned home, her heart filled with excitement and anticipation. As she entered her room, she found a small, glowing object on her bed. It was a magical Quidditch ball. Ginny picked it up, and with a flick of her wand, the ball lit up with a soft, warm light. She couldn't believe her luck. She spent the rest of the night playing with her new Quidditch ball, imagining herself as a superstar Quidditch player. The next day, she excitedly told her brothers about her magical encounter. Ron and Fred, twin Gryffindor Quidditch stars, were thrilled. They decided to teach her how to play Quidditch, and Ginny was determined to learn. Under their guidance, Ginny improved rapidly. She soon became a formidable Quidditch player, much to everyone's amazement. Ginny's passion for Quidditch never waned. She played with all her heart, and her spirit inspired everyone who watched her play. And so, Ginny Weasley continued to spread joy and magic, not just through her Quidditch skills, but through her kindness and love for the game. Good night, little ones. May your dreams be filled with magic and adventure, just like Ginny's. Sweet dreams.